Hello everyone, my name is Perumal Jagan and hope you're doing really well. In today's video, I'm going to give you a brief insight about MCP, Model Context Protocol, and an incredible repository from where you'll be able to grab plenty of MCPs and you can use it as per your requirement. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, now you are seeing the screen, and first of all, you need to understand what is MCP. So let's learn that. Uh, MCP is actually stands for Model Context Protocol. It's an open source standard that allows artificial intelligence application to connect with external tools and data sources, enabling them to access and utilize real-time information security. Quite theoretical. So I'm just trying to explain this in an easy way. Okay. So let's see. First of all, let's say this is an MCP server. Oh, I'm gonna draw this. Wait a minute. Okay, this one, end user, and let's say this one is MCP server, and let's say this one is your Ghidra. Let's say um, this one is your maybe Parrot VM. This one may be a virus total. Okay. Okay, I'll try to explain this. Typically, in your normal conventional architecture, it's going to be a server and client model. So server will be something that's going to supply us some information, and the client is going to request that information. So it's going to be one-to-one communication. So it was a one-to-one communication. But after the arrival of MCP, the whole landscape got changed. So let me explain how it is. MCP is actually sits between this client and server communication. So it is just a one-point communication from the user's perspective. So user is going to communicate with the MCP server, and the MCP server is something is going to communicate with other platforms and grab the information to the end user. So that is how this MCP server works. So the beauty of MCP server is it's going to collect all the information or the necessary information from these integrated utilities. Then it's going to supply the information requested by the end user. So that's the beauty of this MCP server. So you are using ChatGPT in your day-to-day life, right? So you are asking some question to ChatGPT and it's answering to your question. Similarly, when you integrate whatever the tools that you want or whatever the platform that you want with the MCP, then it's simple. You can simply ask MCP to supply or give some answers to you to your question related to that thing. For example, let's say Ghidra. Ghidra is actually a disassembler for malware analysis. It has MCP. So if you just use Ghidra MCP, then once you configured, you'll be able to load a malware into Ghidra and do the assessment simply by using this MCP server. So this is as simple as that. Similarly, the Parrot VM, you'll be able to customize your VM. I'm just to Parrot as an example, but you can take whatever the VM operating system or application, anything you want, and then you can try controlling it via MCP server. And similarly, VirusTotal and any other tool and platform that you want to use. So I actually I came across this incredible website, and here you can see the list of MCP server. I think it has been introduced by, I don't know who introduced MCP. Who introduced MCP? I guess it's Cloud. Let's see. Yes, it was actually introduced by Cloud. Cloud is actually an AI platform. So this is the website of Cloud, and Anthropic is actually the company who is actually own this Cloud. So they actually introduced this MCP. It was introduced in the end of 2024, but it actually, the growth was phenomenal. The growth was majestic. So it grew a lot since then. So you can see the list of kind of the topics and the MCP servers that are available. Now I chose security here, and under security I'm able to see plenty of MCP servers available. So you can just click them and check for the procedure, like how to integrate it with your MCP. Then you can start using them. And also there is an awesome MCP servers uh, GitHub repo. You can simply scroll down here to check out the list of available MCP servers. So this is the beauty of MCP, and I'm also planning to make some of the MCP setup videos. Hopefully you'll be able to see them in future. All right, I think this is what I wanted to share. I'm not setting up any MCP today. Simply I wanted to explain what is MCP and want to give you a couple of links about these MCP servers. So this is all. So this is all for today's video, and hope you liked it. Yeah, if you really like this, do consider subscribing my channel, uh, and do all those YouTube algorithms, liking and commenting as well. Yeah, that's it for that's it for today. I'm gonna wind up. So we'll see you next time in another exciting one. Thank you so much.